Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. What if the Kindle could do more than just display ebooks? Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into Amazon's latest innovation in e-reading technology, the Kindle Scribe 2024. Get ready for a game changer. So, let's talk about the Kindle Scribe 2024. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap into the future of e-reading. Amazon has packed this device with some seriously advanced features that cater to all kinds of readers and writers. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to read, the Kindle Scribe 2024 promises to enhance your experience like never before. Now, let's get real for a second and discuss the limitations of previous Kindle models. Sure, they've been great for reading, but when it comes to writing or taking notes, they've always felt a bit lacking. You know what I mean? We've all been there, trying to jot down our thoughts during a reading session, only to realize the device just isn't built for it. That's where the Kindle Scribe 2024 comes in. It's designed to cater to diverse reading and writing preferences. It's about time we had a Kindle that can keep up with our multitasking lives. Alright, let's dig into what makes the Kindle Scribe 2024 so special. First off, it boasts incredible writing capabilities. Yes, you heard that right. You can now write directly on the screen with a stylus, making it perfect for note-taking or sketching ideas. The improved display is another big win. Think sharper text and images that pop. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with digital content, allowing you to access a library of resources at your fingertips. Imagine reading a book and being able to highlight passages or jot down notes without missing a beat. It's like having your own personal reading assistant. Now, here comes the exciting part, the standout feature that really sets the Kindle Scribe 2024 apart from its predecessors and competitors. Drum roll, please. It's the enhanced collaboration tools. You can share notes and highlights with friends or colleagues in real time. This is a total game changer for book clubs or study groups. You can discuss and collaborate without having to pass around a physical book. How cool is that? It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for how we read and learn together. To wrap it all up, the Kindle Scribe 2024 is a significant leap forward in the world of e-readers. With its advanced writing capabilities, improved display, and innovative collaboration tools, it's designed to meet the needs of modern readers and writers. This device isn't just about reading, it's about enhancing your entire reading and writing experience. So, what do you think about the Kindle Scribe 2024? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you're into tech gadgets, don't forget to check out my review of another awesome device right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.